So hello everyone, today we are going to solve Leetcode daily challenge. Today's question. So let's read the question first. Given a string S, return the number of unique palindromes of length 3. So unique elements of length 3 that are subsequence of S. Note that even if there are multiple ways to obtain the same subsequence, it is still only counted once. A palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and backward. This is the subsequence definition. You can read, and yeah, this is the example of how subsequence is generated. And if the see the constraint, the s dot length will be less than or equal to 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, so in the worst case it can be 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, s consists of only lowercase English letters. Okay, so let's try to see what problem trying to say. So we are given a string. Let's say, let's take the first example, that is AABCA. So it will be AABCA. Okay, this is the string and we have to find length 3 of a string. This is important because this will make our problem much more easy. Like if the length 3 we are given, that means we have to generate subsequence of length 3, okay, which is palindrome. So what it means, like we have three position, like in this string we have three characters, and if we want to make it palindrome, then the first and the last character are going to be same. This is the first character and this is the last character going to be same. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Like the first character and last character going to be same, then this is the palindrome, otherwise it's not. So uh, whatever the mid between the elements and between the elements, then it is going to update my count. Okay, this is not, it will increase my count by one. Like whatever the distinct characters are present in between, then it is going to increase my count. Let's take an example. It says, let's say the first and the last character I'm going to fix, it is BB. And let's take the between characters, and between characters will be like say A, B, C, D, B, A. Okay, now I'm saying that the first and the last character are same, but the between characters are going to decide how many time, how the between characters, it's going to decide whatever the distinct characters present in this, then the string will form, that many string we can form. Like uh, in this case we can, let's generate all the pair subsequence. So it looks like B, A, B. We will include the first one, then B, 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 then we will include the second one. Now we will include the third one. It looks like B, C, B. Okay, so third one is included. Then we include fourth one. So it looks like B, D, B, and included D. Now we will include the fifth one, that will be B, B, B. And as you can see, B, B, B already we included into our answer. Let's say this is an answer. So this is not going to, this is counted as a once. Okay, now if we include B, the last one, that will be B, A, B, and this is also we already included, so we will count it as a once. So how many strings we will form? Like one, then two, and this is counted one, three, and four. Okay, so the four string we will form. Okay, if you count the characters, distinct characters in this, then you will also get a 4. So what I'm trying to say, if we will fix the first and the last character as same, then whatever the distinct characters present in between, then we are going to update our answer, like say count plus or equal to 4 by 4. Okay, so how we are going to solve this? Let me erase all of this thing. One second. Okay, so first we will uh, count the first occurrence. Let's say this is the map, this is the, let's call it first occurrence. Then another map is there for the second occurrence, last occurrence of characters. I'll iterate in the string one by one character, going one by one character. Like if I'm at A, then my first occurrence of A will looks like, my first occurrence of A is, let me do indexing so it will be very easier. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first occurrence of A, as you can see, it's 0. and the first occurrence of B is 2, then first occurrence of C it will be 3, and the first occurrence of A is already calculated. Now let's calculate last occurrence of A. As you can see, last occurrence of A is there, so it will be 4. I'm going to store index, so you can write it over here, index. Okay, index, the first occurrence of A is 4, and sorry, last occurrence of A is 4. Then B, what the last occurrence of B is 2, and the C, last occurrence of C will be 3. Now now we have first occurrence of every character present in a string and the last occurrence of every character present in a string. Now I'll take one by one character. Like I'm going to, there are 26 characters can be possible. I'll go to each and every character, and uh, I'll ask for the map first occurrence. If there is a presence of that character, then I'm going to perform some operations. Like let's say my character is A. Now I'll firstly ask if A is present in a first occurrence or not. Like if its first occurrence is present, then I'm going to take its first occurrence, that is that index is 0, and its last occurrence, whatever last occurrence is 4. Okay, now I'll go to from 1 to 3. I'll go to 1 to 3, and I'll find the unique characters in that. Like if you can see, this is the first occurrence and this is the last occurrence of A. I'll go to 1 to 3 and find unique character in between. Okay, whatever we will get, I'll just update my count with that unique characters. Whatever the number of unique character we will get. So we will do the same thing for every character. Like there is possibility of 26 characters, so we will do that. Let's write a pseudocode for it. Let's directly write a code, you will understand. Okay, so let me store the size of the string given, that is length. Now we will create an ordered map. It will be character and integer. Okay, we are having two maps, that will be first occurrence, for the first occurrence, and the last occurrence. Okay, what it represents, like first character will represent and second will be index. Okay, so we will iterating in a string, so it will looks like an I plus plus. Then let me store the character of, okay, so s of I. Okay, this is the character. I'm going to first occurrence of ch equal to I. Okay, if how we will find the first, this is the first occurrence. Okay, so we will write one more extra line, that if I ist first occurrence dot find that character is not equal to first occurrence dot, and if there is no character present, then we will insert it into our map with index I. Now for the last occurrence, int I equal to 0, I is less than I plus plus. Now character ch equal to s of I. If there is no need to check, we will just update the last occurrence of ch will be I. That's it. Now we will go to each character. Like we have 26 possible characters, so we'll go to that character, ch equal to A, and ch is less than or equal to z, and c plus plus. Okay, now I'm going to A to Z, and if my character, if my first occurrence dot find ch is equal to first occurrence dot end. If there is if there is no character present in the first occurrence, then I'm going to just continue. Okay, otherwise I'll iterate from for int j equal to first occurrence of ch plus 1, and j is less than first occurrence of, it will be last occurrence, so last occurrence of ch and j plus plus. Okay, I'm going to create a unordered set, the set which is going to tell me what are the unique characters present in between. So I'm going to insert ch, and after that cnt plus or equal to st dot size, and let me create a variable that will be cnt, which is going to count number of subsequence, and after that I'm going to return cnt. Let's try to run, and this is going to give me a wrong solution. Let's see how. Okay, I'm doing great. If the first character is not present in the first occurrence, if that character is not in, then I'm going to continue. Okay, see, so we have to push s of j, not ch, and this is correct, accepted. Let me try to submit this, and this is accepted. Thank you.